We're back with another project. So today we'll be working on those two nightstands, and to be completely honest, they're in terrible condition. The drawers are not working properly, the top is all scratched up, all messed up, I can see some chips, so we'll definitely will need to put some time in it. But I'm still super happy that I was able to buy it. Why? Because recently it's super hard to find a set of end tables or nightstands. Anything that I was able to find, it's only a single one, or they're selling a set, but the end tables are not really matching. So if you wanna make money and you want to sell something quick, it will be much easier if you will be able to find a matching set. But enough talking, let's get ready with cleaning and then we'll go from there. So actually before cleaning, we'll try to remove those drawers and mark them so we will know which one goes where. It will be just much easier, especially they're like in such a rough condition. So what I will do, I'll just mark it on the back, so this will be number 1 R, and then I will put the letter R here as well. Okay. Oh boy. Number 2 R. Alright, so before we'll go even further, we need to address those issues with the drawers. Because if drawers are not working, we might just like waste our time doing scuff sanding, and then other stuff. So I like to address those major issues first. Doesn't look so bad. Looks like we have all the parts. So we'll just need to be reattached. So yeah, let's see what we can do with it. Alright, actually it wasn't so bad. I was able to find some screws, I was able to reattach the missing parts, and now we're able to move to the next step. Now we need to address the issue that I mentioned before, which is the water damage. We'll be using Bondo wood filler to fill all the cracks that I previously cleaned. It shouldn't take too long. The curing process might take around like 1 hour, but then after that we'll be able to sand all the excess, and I think we'll be ready to prime. Alright, Bondo is curing, and now we can deal with the drawers. I'll be not painting those. We'll go with the stain. It's a H walnut stain from Home Depot. It's pretty inexpensive. I think it will be a little bit lighter. I'm trying to go for this like two-tone design where the box will be a little bit darker and the drawers will be lighter. So I hope it will look nice. Alright, I'm basically done with all the prep work. I just need to mask those two drawers, set up my tent, and I can move to the last step, which is priming and painting. all painted. Now we just need to wait a few hours and we can wrap it up. And it's the next day, we're officially done. I really like how it came out. I went with this dark gray bluish color, two-tone design. I'm lately really big fan of those. We updated the handles, we fixed the top. I have a hope this piece will be able to find a new home pretty quick. Let me know in the comment what do you think, if you will do something differently, and see you in the next video.